What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And it's the last day of that member save 20% or something. So, man, I'm hitting up a ton of outlets. Dude got Westlake. Let's go check it out. Well, technically not an outlet, but kind of, sort of. Kind of like a Unite store, but technically it's not a Unite store because I think the only Unite store in Southern California is out in Carlsbad. All right, let's go see what they got. Yep, last day of that 20% off plus 30. What the heck? What the hell's going on over there? It's a bunch of high school kids, like, causing a ruckus. Okay, I guess 30% off plus 20. I don't know. I don't really see anything crazy here. Scoping out the women's sale section 2, see if anything really sticks out. Size 8 and smaller. They have one of these Terra Escapes going for $175. They also have it in size 9. Not seeing too much craziness. This is the men's section I did forget to mention. The GP Turbo Hard Court. Some tennis shoes going for $140. This is a 8.5. Air Max 95 going for $140, size 9. Ton of those. Those are 9.5. LA Rams going for $130. This is a size 10. What is this? Air Force Ones. That's kind of weird. That is kind of weird. There's a receipt on the tongue. Just trying too hard, Nike. Trying too hard. 140. That's 11.5. That's how much stuff they got. Zoom Freak 4 is going for 110. Oh, with that extra discount, full box. Hey, if you're a Tentacupo fan, that's what's up. Con 2 Turbos going for $90. Dang, going by super quick. Cosmic Unity 2s, 140. Size 12. Point Lane going for $80, 12.5. Size 12. The Why Not 0.5s going for $90. Remember, all this stuff you do get 20% or 30%, then 20% off. So almost 50%. Max Terra Escape Plus going for $165, size 12.5. The Immortality is going for $60. That's a size 14, and that's it, dude. That's it. On the wall here, they do got these. I don't believe you do get 30% off on this stuff. This size 9 right here. You do get that extra 20, which is pretty dope. You get 20% off Jordans. Can never complain about that. Stealth ones, super clean. And got the Brotherhoods right there. Got these mids. These are going for what, $135. Flytrap 5s. Jordan Access. Mortalities right here. You got the Soldier 14s. Shout out to the homie Aaron right there, chopping it up for quite some time. All right, let's go check out other parts. Yeah, I don't know. Got a gang of sneakers up here. Do any of them really stick out though? I do got some Air Morph Tempos. I like this one. All right, let's go look in the aisles, and then if stuff ain't up here, then or stuff ain't out there, then we'll check up here. Do got the trainers. $130 for those. What is this? ACG Mountain Fly Lows? Okay, that's some trail running stuff, hiking stuff right there. Okay. More Air Force Ones, or the first Air Force One. Oh my God, look at the price on that. Holy cow. Holy cow. And it looks like they just marked it off because I think that's a mistake. I think that's supposed to be $99.97 and 30% off on top of that, but what? That's even better. Oh no, that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay. Damn, that's the cheapest we've ever seen those. And got these mids too. Going for hella cheap. Wow. Because remember, you get another 20% off on top of that. So it's like $40, $30. Holy crap. Air Max 95s, 6090s right here, 2017s. Those of you guys that are new, these are the Air Max 2090s. I'm just too lazy to say Air Max. Air Max Dawns, Air Max Motives. Then the Latin History Month version. We Are Familia right there, Air Force One. Okay, they even have a special thing for it. They did that in East LA too, I think. And special box. Okay. Do got some Air Monarch 4s. I don't know why I said the whole name like that. Metcon 7s. Vomero 16s. That's a good price. Pegasus Trail 3s. Pegasus Trail 4s. Some Pegasus 37s. Alpha Fly Next Percents. Zoom Fly 4s. Infinity Run React Flynets. Another one of those. And this is the last pair right here. Then look, bulk buyer buying all those. Then they're gonna tell us they're doing something about resale. Come on now, dude, really? All right, checking the women's section. Blazer low platforms right here going for 85. That was 11.5, size 12.5 right here. Air Max 97 go for 150. It's actually 149. Air Max 90s right here going for 80 bucks. Got some regular Blazers right here, the jumbos, size 10.5, 85. Got some Air Force One Fontankas going for 100 bucks. Air Max 90, 130. That's a size 7.5 though. Camo Air Max SC going for 80, size 8. Vapor Max 2021s, size 7, going for 180. Air Max 90, 7.5, going for 100. 100 bucks for these, size 7. Size 5, going for 130. Nothing too crazy, to be really honest. Not too crazy. All right, let's check out the aisles, and then I need to check out the clothing. I always forget to check the Nike Burrows, Air Force One Shadows. The heck is this? Air Max, huh? Interlocks? What the heck? Air Force Ones, Ever Non-Lose, Pixels right here, Daybreaks. Got a couple Jordans right here, the OGs, and then got the 8s right here. You get an extra 20 and the extra 20% off on top of that. Vapor Max 2021s, another one of those. Do got running shoes and stuff. Nothing too crazy though. All right, checking out the clearance apparel, but this is not clearance. $45 for this one. That's dope. AD jerseys. Ooh, $80 instead of $110. A few sizes. PLS Lakers t-shirt. What these bad boys go for? $40 for those. Shout out to Emil. We was talking that up for a cool minute. All right, let's go. Dang, dude, they don't have the low, man. I was like, yeah, I'm thinking about socks. They don't have the lows, man. Dang it, only for grade school, and then, oh, you know what? 10 to, oh, men's 8 to, oh, but these aren't lows. Oh, I'm stupid. What am I talking about? Yeah, dude got 40% off, man. 40% off this, but no lows as well. Just got these right here, and this is 6 to 8. Dang it, I need some socks. All my socks are faded. Y'all have that problem too, man? I got some faded black socks. I've been getting rid of a ton of them. I have. I'm gonna get rid of the rest. All right, let's look at some of the clearance clothing. Let's see, $80 for these. These are XL, like a poofy pullover. Jordan hoodie, $20. $20, and it's another 40% off. Holy crap! This is like kind of plain, but for like 12 bucks. Holy crap! Holy crap! What's this? $120. This is tech fleece though. 65 for this one. This is double XL or something. Tech fleece, 100 bucks. These are smalls. Running jackets, windbreakers, 60 bucks. Oklahoma Sooners going for 50. These are mediums, $40 for a bunch of flowers. 60 for the Penny Hardaway hoodie. Why can't I find one of them cheap? 55 down to 20 bucks. 55 down to 20, dude. 20, so is that 12 freaking dollars? Buying this for my kid. That's way too cheap. $100 for that. This actual sweatshirt, this is like cashmere or something. This thing is, I think it's silk. I don't know, it's silky smooth though. $130 down to 100. There's 40 off. Neil had some shorts earlier. I forgot to get him to show it. I was like, dang it. One was a Lakers one too. Looked fire. Don't see anything crazy on this side. It is 40% off as well. No, don't see too much fire here. So is this Nike SB? Medium going for 40, normally 60. Nothing really standing out. Just a bunch of thin basketball shorts. And y'all know how I feel about that if you've been watching for a while. $25 down from 45. Checking out more stuff here. Portland jersey. Lillard jersey down to 80. Blank ATL down to 80 for normally what, 100. Korea long sleeve. Oh, okay, this is XL though. It's not $70. Normally 85. I don't know why I can't talk. Small Haslam jerseys going for 80. That is a swingman. What the hell is this? Fred Warner jersey? What the? Oh, tell me. Oh, it's a small. F you. It's a small. Oh my god, that is freaking dope. It is Fred Warner. Oh my god, that is fire. I gotta check to see if they have any more. This has to have been a return. This is the only one here. Oh my god, this is so fire, dude. $100, 40% off. So it'd be $60. Normally $160. There's no way my big old head would fit this. The body might work, but the big old head, man, damn, that is so fire. Oh my goodness. Normally $160. Damn, I'm so mad. Crappy mood. Because I couldn't get that, man. Dang, they changed it because the neck does fit. And the last year's, the neck would not fit. Even in the medium, the neck wouldn't fit. They did change that. Dude, this is too slim. NFL jersey, way too slim. Damn. That a medium, I totally would get it. This is fire, dude. Holy crap. Especially when I move my arms and up and down. Like, it was just hella comfortable. All right, what I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing some Jordan 4 University Blues, UNCs. The Inspire Pack. Freaking love these, man. These are fire. And then am wearing, what is this? A Shaquille O'Neal jersey. I don't know if it's from the City Pack or what, but it is a Shaquille O'Neal Lakers jersey. Mitchell and Ness. I think I got it for like, what, 40% off something. Pretty happy with that. All right, I guess let's go pay for this thing. I'll provide you guys with that. I did talk to one of the workers. Yeah, we don't get an extra 30% off of these. We do get that 20% off for members. So with the resellers, what they do is they use the 20% off. They start a new account, get 15% off, so they get what, like 30, I think it comes out to like 32% compound or something like that. All right, let's go pay $12 for this mug right here. Man, what a steal. $12.85 for the hoodie, man. Dang, dude. Dang, $12 for the hoodie. That was pretty freaking dope. Pretty dope. Not bad, you guys. Let's go.